In New Zealand, education is structured into primary, intermediate, and secondary levels. Children must attend school from age 6 to 16, although many begin at 5. You'll find different school types, public, private, or integrated, depending on what suits your family's values and needs. The Education Counts website is a good tool. Look at things like location, special programs, and support for students learning English. You can also contact schools directly or check their websites for more details. Most public schools use a zoning system. If you live within a school zone, your child is guaranteed a spot. If you live outside, you may still apply, but a place is not guaranteed. It's important to check the rules before deciding. Reach out to the school to confirm if they're accepting new students and to ask about the enrollment process. Most schools will provide an enrollment form and may invite you to visit or attend an information session. To enroll your child, you'll need their passport or birth certificate, your identification and visa, proof of your New Zealand address, and any health or school records. Having these ready helps the process go smoothly. Once the form and documents are complete, return them to the school. Some schools may arrange a meeting with the principal or staff. Wait for confirmation and next steps after submission. Everything is confirmed, the school will provide your child's start date, school hours, and uniform details if applicable. Orientation activities or buddy systems may help your child settle in comfortably. Stay connected with your child's school through newsletters, parent-teacher interviews, or apps. Let the school know about any changes in your contact details, and don't hesitate to ask for help if your child needs support. We are Aotearoa Academy. Check out our other videos and follow us on social media to stay connected.